6th class students, I am your math teacher. Welcome to Surya Vidyaniketan online classes. In previous class, we learnt about angles and types of angles completed. Now we will discuss how to measure an angle. Observe the protractor and see the points clearly. First one, a protractor is used to measure angles. A protractor is used to measure angles. Angles are measured in degrees. Angles are measured in degrees. Third one, each tiny mark on the protractor shows 1 degree. It has making from 0 to 180 degrees. We can read 0 degree to 180 degree from the left to right and also from right to left. While measuring an angle, the central point is placed on the vertex of the angle. See the protractor, these all points. Okay. Now see the example. How to measure an angle. A tool called protractor is used to measure an angle. See protractor. See protractor from left to right and right to left. Upper scale 0 to 180 degrees to measure left side angles clockwise direction. Okay. Lower scale 0 to 180 degrees to measure right side angle anti-clockwise direction. See protractor. Okay. Upper scale 0 to 180, lower scale 0 to 180. Okay. Example. See example 1. To start, initial point O and other point A. To from OA is 1 ray. OB is 1 ray. And also this is OC. Take protractor and to measure angle AOB. See protractor, that is midpoint. It is also initial point O. Place the protractor, is base aligns with OA and midpoint of protractor coincide with O. Okay. So angle AOB, initial ray, that is final ray. Right side angle lower scale. Right side angle lower scale. Initial ray, final ray. See 80 degrees. 80 degrees. So angle AOB is equal 80 degrees. Left side angle, upper scale. Upper scale. Angle initial ray OC, final ray OB. So use left side angle upper scale. Okay, 100 degrees. 100 degrees. Angle COB is equal 100 degrees. Okay, angle COB is equal 100 degrees. See exercise 8.4. First one, in a given figure to measure all angles. See LM 2 lines, transversal line is N. Take protractor. So first one, to measure left side angle. Okay. So left side angle 118 degrees, 0 to 118 degrees. From right side angle lower scale. Lower scale, use lower scale. It is 62 degrees. 62 degrees. 62 degrees, this one. Next. It is M line. Use protractor. It is use upper scale. Left side angle 118 degrees. Lower scale use 62 degrees. Use 62 degrees, this one. Next, down angles. Take protractor, this like you can coincide in initial ray, final ray, it is 0. It is to use 62 degrees. This one 62 degrees. It is 118 degrees. Use upper scale. Okay, it is lower scale. So this all. Next down, M line down. See protector. This is use lower scale 62 degrees. In this side upper scale use 118 degrees. Sum of which two angles is 180 degrees in each figure. So see figure, this one 118, 62. Sum of adjacent angles equal to 180 degrees. Sum of adjacent angles equal to 180 degrees. In first one, second figure, see L, M, two lines, transversal line P. See first angle. It's like to use protractor. It is lower scale, right side angle, lower scale use. It is 68 degrees. In upper scale use left side angle 112 degrees. In down M line to measure angles. In left side angle use lower scale 58 degrees. In left side angle to use upper angle 122 degrees. And also down use L line, line L. See protector, this like use protector. So use, it is lower scale left side 68 degrees and right side 112 degrees. In M line to measure M line M down angles, it is use lower scale 58 degrees. In this side use upper scale 122 degrees. Okay, this one also. See this one. Okay, go to next. Sum of two adjacent angles equal to 180 degrees. Sum of adjacent angles equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So third problem. In the given figure, measure angle FOG and draw the same in your notebook. First you can measure the angle in a given figure. Right hand side angle, lower scale 35 degrees. Okay, angle FOG is equal 35 degrees. Draw in your notebook. First OG you can draw one ray OG. You can take protector, place the protector, its base align with OG and midpoint of protector coincide with O. Okay, to take 35 degrees in lower scale, use lower scale 35 degrees. To use point F. So to draw one ray, so it is angle FOG is equal 35 degrees. Okay, fourth one. In the given figure, measure the angles angle FOB, angle BOC. See the figure. So use protector. First angle AOC, angle AOC is equal 44 degrees and angle AOB 116 degrees. Angle AOB is equal 116, angle AOC is equal 44 degrees. You can find angle BOC is equal to angle AOB minus angle AOC. That is equal 116 degrees minus 44 degrees. That is equal 72 degrees. See the figure. Angle BOC is equal 72 degrees. Fifth problem. Write some acute, obtuse and reflexive angles, at least 2 for each. For acute angles. Example. Between 0 and 90 degrees. 1 degree 2 up to 789 degrees. Obtuse angles. Between 90 and 180 degrees angles is called obtuse angles. 91, 92 up to so on 179 degrees. Reflexive angles, example, between 180 to 360 angles is called reflexive angle. So 181 and 182 up to 369 degrees.